Hey guys, thank you for downloading our ChatGPT for Excel add-in. To get you started, we do provide a free trial so you can try all of our functions in action. The way it works is, all you have to do is type equals AI, and these are the functions that are available for your convenience. For the full list of functions and the videos on how to use it, please do refer to our tutorial located on the right side of our add-in. For the purpose of today's demo, however, I wanted to show you how to use our AI.ASK function, and we will focus on 3 use cases. So let's go ahead and get started with the data analytics. So in this example here, I do have a table that has age, gender, industry, and the amount the customer have spent. So what I'm gonna do is type equals AI.ASK, and I would like for ChatGPT for Excel to give me the summary or to give me the key insights from the data that I'm looking at. So I'm gonna go ahead and start typing extract key insights from this data. So I'm giving ChatGPT for Excel a task, and then I'll have to reference a table. And I'm gonna go ahead and click enter. And so as you can see, in a matter of seconds, it gives me the summary or the insights that it sees from the data that I have here. So this can come in very handy when you have a large data sets with hundreds or thousands of rows. So let's go ahead and move forward to the content creation next. So in this example, I would like for ChatGPT for Excel to come up with the video script for my add-in. So I'm gonna go ahead and say AI.ASK, and to make it easier, I'm just gonna reference the cell or the question. Please go ahead and create a video script for ChatGPT for Excel add-in. And I'm gonna click on enter, and here it is. So you do have your script readily available. You can also use it for generic questions and answer type, or for any content that you would like. It can write papers, it can write paragraphs, so there's no limits to what it can do. And the third request here is the summary. So what ChatGPT for Excel can do, or the AI.ASK function in particular, let's say I have an example of a long text. It could be an article, it could be a research paper. So this is the content. And I would like for this content to be summarized. So I do not want to read the entire content. I do want to have a summary or the key bullet points. So all I have to do is to type AI.ASK. And then I am going to say, well, summarize this content in 3 bullet points. And then all I have to do is to give the content that needs to be summarized. And so here it is. It does talk about the pie charts, and it provides 3 bullet points as to, what the article talks about. So that's how it works, and I hope you guys like it. This is just a couple of the use cases that you might find this ChatGPT Excel add-in helpful for, but we're looking forward to your feedback, questions. Please do comment on the video and subscribe if you like it. Thank you.